How to fix discover option not showing problem on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll discuss the missing discover button on TikTok. Previously, the discover option was located where the friends button is now. However, the TikTok update removed the discover button and replaced it with friends section. This change aims to help users refine their searches on TikTok. So if you want to restore the discover button, you can try installing an older version of TikTok. And to do this, you need to open your browser. Go ahead and search for TikTok old version. Then visit any website offering older versions and download one. You can download the TikTok version by tapping on download APK, and after downloading, install the older version and log into your account. The discover button should then reappear in the place of friends option. So that's how to restore the discover button. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.